Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Marzocco Linea Mini, and this wonderful machine was brought in because it was leaking steam out of under here, the drip tray, and the customer reported also that they thought the pump was turning on a little more often than usual to refill the boiler, and all of these symptoms were because of this right here. This little vacuum release valve was allowing steam and water to come out, and which goes all the way down into the drip tray when it shouldn't have. But we replaced it and now it's functioning correctly, and steam is not coming out. We've had this, you can kind of see, this tray is pretty dry inside, and it's been like this for a couple hours. So we're gonna pull a shot and everything's good to go. Beautiful and quiet. We'll stop here, about 2 ounces. And yeah, looking good. La Marzocco Linea Mini functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.